footsteps walking down the hallway in the middle of the night. I start hearing little sounds become so magnified here in the quiet. A kitchen phone that rings when you answer, softly speaking. In a whisper, I'm left to wondering why. I've got a lonely feeling that I'm hearing the sounds of goodbye. The sounds of goodbye. Stocking feet that softly tiptoe through the room where I lay half asleep. Flinging hangers, fumbling hands that close the closet door that always creaks. The snapping latches on your suitcase that you carried with you to your mother's on those weekends many times. I've got a lonely feeling that I'm hearing the sounds of goodbye. The sounds of goodbye. The clicking of your high heels down the staircase and across the marble floor. I call your name and hear a deafening silence, then the closing of a door. A roaring motor in the street, a stranger's cutting voice, then a violent rush of teardrops from my eyes. I've got a lonely feeling that I'm hearing the sounds of goodbye.